Hi guys, I'm Chris. I'm here to talk about Mission 25 and all the ways you can get involved. This is the first mission of the new year, and so we urge you to go online at excelchurch.org.uk/mission25 to sign up for any areas you want to do it in, where you can do litter picking, face painting, refreshments, personal evangelism and leafleting. And this event is going to be on the 21st to 23rd on that weekend. So we strongly urge you guys to get involved and help us out.
Our hope, our life breaks through the strongholds.
The Accelerate course is starting from the 10th of March for 4 Mondays. This is a chance for you to come and find out the different ways you can serve in our church while we help you unlock the gifts and talents that God has placed inside of you. If you are interested in this course, please speak to Dan or Cheryl after the service.
God, our Savior, He goes before us and leads us on. We wave our banner, strong and mighty.
Kingdom Kids is back, and it happens here at Excel Church at the beginning of February. It's going to be happening on Wednesdays from 5:30 to 6:30. Now this is our dance classes that are held for primary school age children, and they're held by Destiny's School of Dance. So listen, if you're interested and you want to be a part of it, then you have to sign up online. So have a look at the information online and sign up if you want to be a part of Kingdom Kids.
Soaring before us, yeah, we follow in boldness, and our hope.
Hey guys, from today we are selling the brand new XL t-shirts. Kids ones are £7 and adults ones are £8. You are going to be dressed to impress in these gorgeous new t-shirts, especially if you're in Mission 25, which we all hope you are. So come down here to the foyer and buy your XL t-shirt today.
Strong and mighty, He will not falter. God, our banner.
Okay, that's all for XL News guys, but don't forget this week is Connect Groups, so make sure you connect with yours and have a great week guys.